Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. Look at this beautiful blue bright sky, and behind me is a cathedral church. And today is a special day. It is a Mother's Day in Poland, and seems like everywhere is busy. Especially in this cathedral area, seems like there gonna be many events gonna happen. So yeah, I'll take you to stroll around to see how it is. Woohoo! I'm so happy. It's beautiful, bright, sunny day today. Amazing! Look at this beautiful blue bright sky. So today I am in cathedral area. Once I think that I was here to take you in Ostrotumski. I think this one is the oldest part of Poznan. Today seems like so busy. So many people are coming here with the big bus, with the tourists. On the left side there are so many I think that action here. So yeah, let's see. I'll take you to inside the cathedral church. Oh, look at this one is the floor. And here, look at the ceiling. Wow, it's so beautiful. Amazing, isn't it? And look at the colorful glass over there. Wow, it's beautiful, amazing. And many group of students are coming here. It's so beautiful, amazing. And I think that I need to have a coffee. I got little bit headache. Now I've got overheated. Okay, so we will go across to the bridge. So this area is called Ostrotumski, old part of Poznan. And you see there people are enjoying sunshine under that one. We were there. It's called Brama Poznania, and we were there a long time ago. And look at the river here. So nice. And that's the background is the cathedral church. Beautiful. People already enjoying the sunshine, cycling. Very nice. And this is the history of the bridge. Very nice. Look at this beautiful area, Ostrotumski. And restaurant already open. People are sitting outside, buying ice cream. I think that I want to buy ice cream or coffee maybe. So it is a very enjoyable. And look at the walk path. Very nice. Oh, look at this one. So nice. So yeah, let's go buy something. This restaurant, very nice. Sitting outside, mural art, green, very nice. Very nice to walk. And this place, there are so many restaurants here. Basically, if you wanna sit outdoor just like this. So yeah, very nice, right? That's the restaurant over there. See, many people are cycling, enjoying the time. And there next to it also another restaurant. I was here before, but I really like this mural art. Very cute. And you see the vibe where people sitting, eating. Very nice. Very nice. Let's go. It's very peaceful walk basically, And next to me is a church. You see, 1893. Nice old church. And look at this. It's very clean walk path. Nice. And in front of me is another restaurant as well. It is a very nice looking restaurant. Next to it also Asian street food. So yeah. Look at this. I really like the building architecture. The color, bright. Very nice. It's gonna be a music performance overlooking the mural. And people enjoying their time, having lunch with family. Very nice. This is what I really like strolling in the area here in Poznan, Poland. First, I feel safe. Second, everywhere I go must be a nice, beautiful restaurant. And yeah, just like behind me. Very tourist friendly, foreigner friendly, and amazing. Let's have a coffee. I really want to have a coffee. It's very nice, and I see this coffee shop is busy. Maybe I'll come here. It's coffee o'clock. I order one hot cappuccino and one brownies. Cost me 27 zloty, and a place like this. Very nice and comfy. Oh, look, so many green things. I really like the coffee concept with green things, and they have a coffee as well, and the book collection here. Very nice. It is a small nice coffee, but look at the toilet. It's so clean and very artistic, and one thing, smell fresh, and they have something like this for the ladies. Very nice. Look at this, so beautiful, and see more and more people are coming. And look at this one, the ice cream shop and the restaurant. Very nice. Look at this vibe. Many families are here. Very nice. Look at that. So I decided to get down under the bridge. Now I understand they really keep maintaining clean. You see that guy with the truck, they work for responsibility for the cleaning here. Look at that in front of me, the ducks. And this one, very nice. Look at that ducks. Really look like the ducks in my hometown in Bali. Very nice. That's the background actually. And this one is the Brahma Poznania. Maybe next time we will go there, but once we were already there. So yeah, this is it. We will come back up there. So people are cycling, sunbathing, enjoy the time. So nice. Look at this beautiful cathedral church. And now look at this one. So packed of people. Look at this. So many kiwi for the cotton candy. And look at this one. Very nice. I think that there are so many families are here. This one I think of Family Day because of Mother's Day today, with the background of the cathedral church. And you see it's so packed with people. And look at this one, the balloon. Very nice. So cute. So cute. Very nice. Look at this. Everybody is coming with the family. So yes, that's Ushebe family home here in Poznan. Very nice. Look, even they have something like a balloon, bouncing balloon there. Wow. Wow, and so wow. It's very nice to see how they are so friendly actually. You see? So this is actually how is the Sunday Mother's Day in Poznan, Poland. It's so packed of people and many families are coming here. Look at this guy behind me. So cute, isn't it? It's very beautiful church. Nice. Wow. Wow and wow. Look at this. There are so many toys here for the kids. And I think that's the gingerbread. This area is, I think, the food court basically. And look, this one, the kiwi. Let's see what we're gonna eat or what we're gonna buy. Nice. Look at this. Oh, look at the bread. Woohoo! I wanna buy something. Smacznego go. I have my fruitcake. And look at surround me. You see. Right, I think that's all my video today, guys. I cannot finish this one, a very huge portion. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.